Hey guys, this is Kashish Panchal aka the Cozy Chick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I have created this beautiful cat eye makeup look, which to be honest so many people have demanded on Instagram, on YouTube. Many of y'all have asked me as to how I create like this very sharp makeup look, and I just thought that I have to create a video because you have asked for it.
Because you're asking for it. You're dying for it.
So in this video I have not only focused on my eye makeup, but I've also focused on my base makeup because it is also important to get this beautiful snatched makeup look. So it's not just about the eye makeup, but it's also about the base makeup. So the right base makeup and the right eye makeup will give you the perfect snatched cat eye look. Before we start, make sure you like, comment and share this video. If you are new over here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and well, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page, the Cozy Chick. And yeah, without blabbering much, let's get into this video. So guys, I have already done my skin prep and now we're gonna jump onto the makeup part. First, I'm gonna prime my skin. For primer, I'm using my all-time favorite K-Beauty color correcting primer in the shade green. In my last YouTube video, my skin was not at all doing well, but now it's good. The flare-ups have decreased a bit, although the redness is still there.
I can't help with the redness, it's just gonna be there like.
But still, like overall, the condition of my skin is better than before. Also, if you are wondering from where this top is, it's from Meesho. They have such budget-friendly, affordable products, like unbelievable affordable products. That's crazy. I don't know how they sell those products in such a less price. I don't know. I'm using the MAC strobe cream in the shade pink light. It just gives such a nice glow on the face, and you just need like the tiniest amount. I just apply it on the highest point of my face. So for my base makeup, I'm not gonna go very overboard with it. I just need like the tiniest amount of concealers. I'm not using any foundation, so I'm using the K by Katrina concealer, my all-time favorite concealer. I can't stop using it. This is like my second purchase and I already have a backup, like a third purchase. I'm just gonna use this concealer to hide like few blemishes that are there on my face. I'm not gonna use it under my eyes because I will be using a different concealer for my under eyes. Now I'm gonna use my second concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the shade 312. It's a very full coverage concealer, so I'm just gonna use the tiniest amount for my under eyes. All the product details will be down there in the description box, so you can check it out. I'll start blending all my concealers. All the products are blended out really well. Now I'm going to use a cream blush. I'm using this blush from Flower Beauty. This is in the shade Bitten. I'm gonna blend it with this brush. To set my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 220. Always look up and then apply your powder just like this. I'm using this palette from Mars Cosmetics. It has like all these beautiful shades. There are eyeshadows over here, mattes and shimmers, and there are all these face colors over here. Also, it's matching my outfit.
So I like it.
This is the first time that I'm trying out this particular palette. They sent it to me in PR and I was like, I've never tried it, so let's just give it a go. And the pigmentation is pretty good of this palette. Like when I swatch it, the pigmentation is good. I don't know how it's going to be on my face. Okay, it's pigmented. Okay, it's very, very pigmented. Wait, I have to settle it down a bit. Wow, this is very pigmented, you guys. And it's blending out so well. Like, it's not patchy. So normally what we all do is we apply the bronzer from here and go like downwards like this, but we want that nice snatched look. So for that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my placement a little bit above. Don't go very above, just go like a tiny little above. So instead of here, I'm gonna go over here and contour my face like this, a little bit above than what you normally go. And I like going downwards. You can skip this part if you want. You can just make like a line like this. Okay, let's do the nose contour with the same shade. Okay, for the nose, it's a little bit dark, but we'll make it work. Yeah, we'll make it work. And I'm done with my contour. Now I'm gonna apply some more blush. I'm gonna use this particular powder blush from the palette, and let's see how the pigment is of the blush. I'm sure the pigment will be great. Oh my god, that's a lot of product. Okay, wow, this palette is amazing, and it retails for like $3.99. What? I don't know how is this blush looking so good. Look at that pigment. So my base is now complete. Now I'm gonna jump on to the eye makeup, something that we were waiting for, the cat eye look. First, take a very fluffy brush, dip it in any brown shade that you have. I'm just using the same contour shade. You can use any brown eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna apply it completely like a wing on my eyes. Just like this. Now use the same shade, same brush, and apply it under your eyes. Now you need to have any kind of this brush. This is a pencil angled brush. This is actually a paint brush which I use as my eyeshadow brush as well, because it's very sharp and good. So now I'm gonna take this black shade, make a wing eyeliner which will be very, very, very thin. Now comes my favorite part, eyeliner. I'm using the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. Now we're gonna create a winged eyeliner above this eyeshadow. So basically what a black eyeshadow does, it gives you like a map of where you need to apply your eyeliner. You can skip the eyeshadow, but I would recommend doing it because it also gives like a nice smoked out look. So I'm gonna make a liner now. Just like a normal human being, even I have ruined my eyeliner. हर टाइम बराबर eyeliner होता है ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. मेकअप आर्टिस्ट भी गलतियाँ करते हैं. So yeah, see यहाँ पे मैंने पूरा यहाँ बीच तक लिया, which I said, but we gotta do something else. I have to do it like this. बीच तक नहीं लेके जाना था, मैं flow में चली गई. So I'm just taking a makeup wipe and removing my eyeliner. Eyeliners are supposed to be sisters and not twin sisters. My second attempt of doing this eyeliner. ये ज़्यादा लंबा हो गया, चलो कोई बात नहीं. Again, my eyeliners are not the same. Now comes my favorite part. It's the inner corner. So I'm gonna take my same eyeliner and just make like inside. Both sides of your inner corners are completely different in size. So your eye shape is also not the same. It's different. And that's why your wing eyeliners, your tear duct eyeliners turns out different, because the size, the shape is different. Little bit it is different. Now this step is going to completely change the game of this entire look, and that is kajal pencil. I love this method. So just take your kajal pencil and pura kajal laga do. But it shouldn't spread outwards. Like make sure it's going properly till inside, not outside. So tight line you can do that as well. मुझे थोड़ा डर लगता है करने, but अगर आपको आदत हो तो you can do this. Now comes my favorite step. It's mascara. We love some mascara. So first I'm gonna curl my lashes. Make sure you curl more towards the outer side because we need the cat eye look. Time for some mascara. I'm using the Essence Cosmetics mascara. I don't know why they've labeled this entire thing on the bottle. It looks so shabby. Also, I can't even show you the entire mascara. And ये बहुत product लेता है, तो you have to remove a lot of product. See, look at the difference that this mascara gives. My hairband just doesn't want to stay in one place, so I have to remove it. For my lips, I'm gonna apply some lip gloss because I feel like I'm not feeling a matte lipstick. So let's apply a lip gloss. First, I'm gonna overline my lips with the PAC lip liner in the shade Coffee. Now I'm going to use the Tyciie lip gloss in the shade Donut. Alright guys, so this is how the final look turned out. It's looking so pretty, so chic and elegant. And also look at the shape of my eye. Like it looks snatched. I was not joking when I said this is the perfect cat eye look, because it is. And just look at the eye shape. I personally can't stop staring at myself. And yeah, I think that's how I want every single woman to feel about themselves. To love themselves as much as they can, and just to keep yourself first before anyone else. Because if you won't feel pretty, do not expect other people to come and tell you that you are pretty, because if you will not feel it, then you won't believe what others are telling you. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you have any other thoughts in your mind that you want me to create a look. Let me know in the comment section below. And well, I'll meet you in my next YouTube video. Bye bye.